Okay, this website pays you $22 per hour. This website pays you up to $1,000 per month starting at $20 per hour. This website pays you via PayPal weekly, and I'm going to reveal top 7 websites in this video. Hey, what's up guys, this is Art from artofmarketingblog.com, a place where I help you make money online, and in this video I'm going to reveal top 7 websites that pay you $20 per hour or more. So some of these are paying much more, and all of these jobs are super simple jobs you can perform from home. So you're going to be working from home, earning money from home, and it's all super simple. But before we're going to jump into the content of this video, let me just remind you that each time I'm uploading one of these free training videos to this channel, I'm giving away $10. If you want to win $10 right now, please like this video, subscribe to this channel of mine, click on the bell for notifications, and leave me a comment with your email so I know how to notify you as a winner. And also please check out all the links in the description of this video. The first link will take you to my Art of Marketing Elite Club, which is my coaching club. If you want me to take you by the hand and show you exactly how to make money online from scratch, join the club. Check out all the rest of the links as well. Let's jump into the content of this video, and let me show you the top 7 websites that pay $20 per hour or more. So the first website is called Hawo, Hawo, American Academy, and as you can see, it says teach with us, learn with us, grow with us, choose your schedule, become a master teacher, earn up to $22 per hour. So essentially you're gonna become a tutor, a teacher, and you can be teaching, for example, kids, and you don't even have to be a real teacher, because you as a native English speaker, you can just teach people English via Skype. So it's super cool, and again, $22 per hour. You're actually gonna have to Google this website. So if you're gonna go to hawo.com, it goes nowhere. You're gonna have to go to 51talk.com, but the name of the company is Hawo, and again, you can check it all out. $22 per hour is just the starting point. Obviously you can make a ton of money. You're gonna apply, they're gonna perform an interview, they have an orientation, you have training and onboarding, and then launching, which means that you're gonna start teaching. So very cool. And obviously these guys have already been mentioned on big news channels like CNN, CNBC, Yahoo, and some of the Chinese websites as well. Okay, so very cool. I hope you're gonna make a ton of money with this, but this is only the first website. I have a second for you, and the second one is Chegg, CHEGG.com, and it's Chegg Tutors. So as you can see, it says online tutoring jobs. Start tutoring online with Chegg Tutors. Tutors can earn $1,000 per month starting at $20 plus per hour. So again, it's tutoring. You can just tutor kids all around the world on English or any other subject. So they're gonna send students to you. You're gonna build your reputation. You can tutor from anywhere, from your dorm, from a coffee shop. All you need is an internet access, and you're gonna get paid each week. So this company is 100% legit. They have some testimonials, obviously, and you can sign up, and they are PayPal verified, which means they are paying out via PayPal, which is always cool because these are instant payments. So Chegg.com, check out Chegg Tutors, click on become a tutor right here. And I have a third website for you. It's Rev.com, and as you can see, it says earn money with captioning jobs from home. So when you're watching a movie, sometimes you have these captions, and you're going to be adding these captions to movies, to films, etc. And as you can see, you're going to get paid weekly, sent via PayPal. $240, that's the average earnings per month, and you can make as much as $1,570. So you can start working in 3 easy steps. Sign up, choose from available jobs, and then get paid weekly via PayPal. Very cool. You get the benefits, so you decide what you want to work on, you get paid weekly, and you can work according to your own schedule. So very cool. Rev.com, another one of these websites that pay you $20 plus per hour, and you can just pick whenever the time of day is suitable for you to work. Okay, now number 4 website is a little bit different, but I actually found it very cool. It's called TaskRabbit. Now you're going to be working at home, but not your own home, other people's homes, and you're going to be helping them with home repairs, furniture assembly, mounting, help moving, heavy lifting, painting, yard work. And I normally don't review these kind of websites on my channel because it's all about making money online, but I actually found this. So if you're gonna sign up, obviously gonna have to fill all of this form, but they also have a personal assistant here, which means that apart of these physical jobs, you can also become like a virtual assistant to people. So as you can see, they have a computer icon right here. So obviously, if you want to make some money, like assembling furnitures or moving or doing delivery for people, that's cool. You can make some money this way, but you can also become a personal assistant. So this website is a little bit different, but I just want you to keep an open mind. And if you need money, it takes anything to really get that extra cash, and then maybe you can invest it into something else and make even more money down the road. Okay, so TaskRabbit.com, and the next one is Buffer.com. So you're gonna go to journey.buffer.com and you can join Buffer. This is a big social media company, and as you can see, they have like a ton of events and everything else. They really invest heavily into their into the people that they're working with. So perks and benefits, as you can see, you can work remotely, you have a competitive salary, you can have a home office setup, growth mindset fund, health insurance, minimum vacation, 401k, profit sharing, family leave, a bunch of different things. So obviously you can work full-time with them or you can work part-time. So I found this page right here. As you can see, it says remote work, the joys and benefits of working as a distributed team for Buffer. So first of all, their team is supportive and productive. Then team members have incredible amounts of freedom. It feels like the future. You're going to be working from your home, but with people from all around the world. You're going to be learning a lot. You're going to be traveling. And time zones make you awesome, which means that you can work from anywhere in the world. You don't have to be in the US or Canada. So you can check it all out. Buffer, very, very cool company to work for. And the next app I got for you is transcribeme.com. I actually reviewed this before, but I wanted to mention this in this list because this website pays you anywhere from $15 to $22 per audio, and top monthly earnings at $2,200, and average earnings are $250. So another one of these websites that can pay you $20 plus per hour working from home. All you're gonna be doing is transcribing audio. So you're gonna get an audio file or a video file and you're just gonna type out whatever you're hearing. Super simple. You don't need experience. You don't need any tech skills for it. All you need is a Word document and listening skills, super simple. So transcribeme.com, one of my favorite websites out there for making money online and working from home. And next up, this is a new website I found. It's called Scribe Media. So this is actually a social media company that you can work for full-time or you can freelance. So you can watch the video right here. You can check out all this website. We're gonna focus on the freelancing right here, and I just went to this Glassdoor reviews right here because the Glassdoor is always reputable when it comes to actually checking the background of the company. So I went to salaries, and as you can see, an editor hourly contractor earns from $51 to $56, and they have a couple of people working this way for them. So Scribe Media, you can start working for them. It's an amazing company and they actually pay a lot. You can go full-time or part-time as a freelancer, totally up to you, but in any case you're going to be working from home and making money online. Okay, so these are my top 7 websites for you, and right now let's see who won the $10 from my $10 giveaway from my previous video. So my previous video is this one right here, how to make money online with Google 2020, $14 per hour. So you can check out this video as well. Let me grab the URL. Let me grab the URL and let's go to YouTube random comment picker. Let's paste in the URL, filter out the duplicates, and let's see. You have only 8 comments. So guys, you really have to comment on these videos if you want to win $10, and let's see who won the $10. Okay, we got Subhate Manhaptra. I hope I'm saying this right. Cool video art, PayPal. I'm going to send the $10 to the winner right now. If you want to win $10 just like Subhajit just did, please like this video, subscribe to this channel of mine, click on the bell for notifications, and leave me a comment with your email so I know where to send the money to. And right now, let me send $10 to the winner. Congratulations. Okay, so as you're seeing, I just sent $10 with an Amazon gift card to the winner. Again, congratulations. Do these 4 things if you want to win $10 right now, and don't forget to check out all the links in the description of this video. Again, the first link will take you to my Art of Marketing Elite Club, which is my monthly coaching club where I take you by the hand and I show you exactly how to make money online from scratch, so you don't need any experience, and I'm going to show you exactly how I went from being a bartender to making 7 figures online. Okay, check out all the rest of the links if you want some free resources about making money online and working from home, and check out all the rest of the videos on this channel. I'm always recording tons of videos on making money online, working from home, and all that good stuff. So I will be seeing you in the next video. Ciao.